Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here today I'm going to introduce GoPro Hero 11 Black. So it's a latest edition of action camera. So let's see together. I'll explore Hero 11 GoPro. So now start. Yes, it's a beautiful cover. So this product your GoPro 11. So this is GoPro 11 bundle. So we have here charging cable, battery, and mold for your stand for your helmet, and this one for a screw for hold your mold, and this one the main camera parts. So this is a backside camera, so you can see the logo, and let's press it. So it's a screensaver sticker, so we don't need it. So it's a bit sticky. Okay, yes, now it's done. Yo, the small piece is so stick on, and this is your front side screen. Yes, and the we can see the camera small for mold clamp, and this one on off button. So it seems like open, but you don't need to open. You never open it. So this one, the water protector, and yeah, this side you can open. So yeah, just a little bit down and open. So you can put the battery here. Yes. So you have only one battery on this bundle. So yes, this is on the right side. So there is two more space for the charging cable and SD card. So I bought the SD card separately. It doesn't come with the GoPro bundle, so you need to buy the separate. And here are more paper with bundle. So it's user manual and some information about GoPro, like information about battery, so how to fit the GoPro, and catalog book. If you have any problem, so you can find the information here. That's all from GoPro 11 bundle. Here is the other accessories bag. So I just put SD card. So here's the SD card, Scandic Extreme Plus. This one is recommended for the Hero 11 GoPro. So the SD card comes with the card reader. So I bought 128 GB SD card, and yes, it cost up like 40 euro. So the SD card with the card reader. Yes, yeah, I got the glue. So open from here. Yes, this is my first time. So yeah, it's I get it. Yes. So this is SD card, 128 GB, and this one a card reader. So I don't need the card reader at the moment. So but I need it before after. So let's go. Just insert the SD card. Yes. No. Another side. No. Yes. This side, I think. Yeah, it is fit now. Okay. Now it's fit. Let's close the. Next, this is not the on off button, but you can use for the moments, and you have also the on off button. Now, the Hero 11 GoPro is ready to use, and you can charge first. Now it is ready. See you next video. Bye bye.